Hello everyone, I'm Topher and I'm the Blue Collar Gentleman. I'd like to welcome you to my channel and thank you for stopping by. This video will be on the short side. There's really no reason for it to be long. It's about tags. I'm not talking about the price tags attached to many items, including articles of clothing. I'm talking about tags like this one. Designer label tags attached to the sleeve of a sport coat, blazer, or suit coat. I put the link to some articles I found on the subject down below. The simple answer regarding designer tags is to get rid of them. One of the links I've included down below is an article from GQ saying that if you're wearing them ironically, it's fine, but otherwise it's just kind of sad. Me, I'm too old to wear something ironically. Each of the articles I came across, and the list below is by no means exhaustive, said the same thing. Remove them. Wearing them in public suggests that you're too impressed with yourself and your attire. It's paramount to waving around wads of cash. Gauche, and certainly not the conduct one would expect of a gentleman. So let's get to work. I'll be using Nancy's thread snips to remove the tag from this Ralph by Ralph Lauren sport coat. I bought it at the beginning of the summer at DXL here in Portland. And if you're wondering, yes, I have worn it out a few times with the tag on it. It's one of those things that I kept thinking I needed to do, and yet forgot until after I was actually out the door. This one is a pretty simple one. It has just a couple of quick small threads. So I'm going to snip this one here, and I'm going to snip this one here, and then I'm going to reach under and pull through. Turns out this wasn't a tag at all. In fact, it was plastic holders that was holding this in place. So that's even more the reason I should be taking that off. And there you have it. Throw away this, and this sport coat is now ready to be worn in public again. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.